Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can refund on Pandabuy. So first step, you simply need to search Pandabuy, open that website, and you simply need to log in into your account first. Once you log in, you simply need to click on your profile picture and click on orders. So once you are on the orders page, here you can see all your orders. So you simply need to select your order and you simply need to cancel. Once you cancel, your order will be refunded automatically into your account. So let me show you. Here is my order. So I going to select this. So as you can see that I did not place this order. So you simply need to click on remove because I did not place this order. Here you can see that confirm to delete order. Your item won't return to the seller or get a refund. So if you placed an order, you simply need to click on confirm and you will get a refund by cancelling the order. So this is the process that you need to follow to refund on Pandabuy. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.